Hello explorers! One of my favorite activities is to do some journaling on a nice winter's day. A time where you can be cozy with friends and family and just write down all your thoughts, your goals, and your resolutions for the new year. Take a look. Starting off with my bullet journaling for the month of January, I decided to go with a thinner Muji pen for the outlines of my layouts because I realized that they don't smudge as often. This is the weekly layout that has worked for me best through all my trial and errors for the bullet journaling. I have decided to simplify my bullet journal even further to have more time for actual content that goes into my bullet journal instead of spending all my time outlining it. For my content, I decided to include everything I need to do for the month of January. So the first one would be my January bullet journal layout and New Year's resolutions. Then the 10 ways to renew your life for the new year, which I find very exciting and will be this week's post. The third one is an interview with Dr. Michael Chan Frazier, which is a Silva bar specialist. He talks about releasing the negative energies that do not support you. I had a remarkable energy clearing session with Dr. Michael Chan Frazier as he taught me about letting go of all the negative emotions, energies, and feelings that we have stored up in our bodies. I felt that this video that will be coming up soon in this post would be perfect for the month of January, as the monthly theme is renewal. The guided relaxation session for this month is on the topic of renewal, which is a perfect topic to talk about for the new year. Last but not least, I have the January bullet journal flip through. It's a great way to show you how I fill up my bullet journal throughout my entire month and the most active way to use it. If used properly, a bullet journal can be extremely beneficial and efficient for your schedule and your life. For my yearly resolutions, I always make a very important priority to select at least 3 in 3 categories: the mind, the body, and the spirit. One of the first ones for the category of the mind is to live every day with intention. Choose positivity, as being happy and positive is a daily choice. For my third one is to have 10 minutes of positive affirmations every single day. This is not an easy one to do, but I know if I were to practice positivity, this is the easiest way to get to my goal. For the category of body, I am going to the gym twice a week, which I know for some people that's very little, or for some people maybe that's more than they do, but the point is that I think twice a week is what fits my schedule at the moment. I'm also going to do 10 minutes of simple exercises daily. Those 10 minutes can include anything from stretches to sit-ups to push-ups to crunches or for planks. Any way I would like to use them, but I need to have 10 minutes daily. And my third one is morning and evening stretches. Now this is an absolute must, something that somebody told me is that stretching is the most important exercise that you need to do daily. For spirit, I'm doing 10 minutes of daily meditation every morning, making time for spiritual wellness, and practice gratitude by logging it in my journal daily. One of my favorite ways to actually decorate my journal is by putting stickers. I'm very lucky because I have lots of friends and families that bring me stickers from their travels, a lot of them from Japan, which I absolutely love. And I love using my stickers to send to others when I send them cards and letters, to decorate my bullet journal, or to put in on my other notebooks that I fill in with. I think it's such a beautiful way to decorate something without putting a lot of time and effort into it. It looks just aesthetically pleasing. I really am loving the color combination for this month of January, which is pastels, pinks, and blues. Here is my reflections page with my short layout for the month of January. This is the larger overview with all the dates and events. My gratitude log, so I can log daily, and my habit tracker, which is very important for this month. My meal plan and groceries list, which helps me be very efficient with what I buy and what I use. My content page and my resolutions for the new year, which serve as a great reminder for me to look at every single day. Here is my weekly layout. Right here in the middle, I'm going to be putting an inspirational quote. I'm not sure yet. And every single week for the remainder of the month. I hope this has been extremely helpful for you for setting up your resolutions and also your bullet journal layout for the first month of 2020. Please make sure to subscribe and click on the little bell button to receive any notifications when new videos are posted. Please also visit a Pear Life website. I will be posting the link with also the social media links down below. If you subscribe to the mailing list, you will be notified of new posts. Goodbye, explorers!